Okay, so I just wanted to quickly record this so you understand what the network light extension does. So if you see right now, I'm on a profile here, and this extension gets loaded here. Um, uh, by the way, this will get loaded only if you're on a profile, on a personal profile. So for example, if I go to a company, you will not see this extension here. Okay, so this will get loaded only when you're on a profile. It will load the details of the person. Here you can uh, define which stage you want to capture this lead. For example, you want to capture it as cold lead, you can do that. If you know the value against the deal you're working in your pipeline, you can put that value. You can define the expected closure date. I mean, this is not necessary right now, everything here, but you have those options. You can define the company where he works at, so or email or phone number. Or if you want to keep a track of, okay, if you had an interaction, you can just do log an interaction. So it will set a counter here of when was the last time you interacted with this person. So I'll show you how it works later on, but it logs the day, so it's 0 days ago you have interacted, so you can keep those. You have tag management here, so you can say, okay, which industry this belongs to. For example, I want to add a red tag saying that red HR. Okay, so sorry, maybe red HR. Yeah, so this comes in red. I mean, its color is just something for you to do, but you don't need to type color every time. I'll say tech. I had already had a tech tag, so it will come here, and I save this. You have options for tasks, so if you want to create some tasks, you can create follow up on this feed. I can add it here. Okay, if you want to add notes, you can add notes here. So I'll just use a dummy note here. I have some templates in case you want to create your templates while sending messages. You can create and keep them here and use them later on. Now, we also have something called as a Zen mode here. The Zen mode, basically, once you click, you see the whole distractions are gone. The left panel here, the right panel is gone, the bar is gone. You only are focused on the profile. That's what the Zen mode does. So I can use the Zen mode here. Now, once this is captured here, you can go and capture multiple profiles. The CRM actually lies in the extension. So you go here, you click on the extension, and you'll see my whole pipeline here. So we just added Carlos. I feel he should not be in the code leads. I can shift him on my pipeline, and you see the pipeline revenue here everywhere. uh, and you have multiple stages. So this is the Kanban view. If you want to filter, you can just go and filter specific, or say all stages. If you don't like the Kanban view, you can go on a list view. You'll have the list view here as well. Now, once you're here, you can click on the profile. You will see multiple things. Like, for example, you will see which stage, the expected closure. You can capture notes, you can capture tasks, you can modify them, you can edit tasks from here. You can go out of it. We have this small report section which is very useful, wherein we can say, okay, what is the pipeline value right now I'm working with, what is my forecasted revenue for which month, the top tags I'm using. We have a calendar view here. I can click on the calendar view. I can see, okay, what all tasks are there on what all dates. If I want to add tasks, I can add tasks here. Most importantly, if I want to add a generic task, then I did not create a contact, or I don't associate a contact. But if I want to associate, I can go and associate a contact and save this task. Then the task will get associated to the contact. So we have a task view wherein we have all the tasks which are there. I can edit or delete tasks from here. I can see pending or completed tasks. So I don't have completed tasks right now. So let me complete it. So I'll just do check completed. So that goes in the completed task. Okay. I can also go and check which are overdue tasks for today or anytime. So I have all these filtering options here. Any notes I have captured, all the notes against those contacts will start appearing here. If I want to specifically filter, for example, I want to see all the notes against Jennifer, so I can just say Jennifer and I see all the notes against Jennifer. If I want, I can go and edit those notes, or I can add more notes here. Again, profiles are all the profiles what you have right now in your pipeline. They might be won, lost, or anywhere in the pipeline. Now this specific section is meant for you to manage or delete those contacts if you don't want to keep them anywhere in your CRM. So you can go and delete them by clicking on this bin button here. This is what I was telling. We log the interaction, right? 0 days. So you come to know when was the last interaction logged. So if it is 5 days, 10 days, you will come to know. You can keep on logging interactions to keep it fresh so that you understand, okay, when was the last time you touched base with them. Again, we have this tag manager. I just have two tags here, but you can create multiple tags. You can, so if I say tech, I click on it, I'll see all the people who are under the tag tech. If I say HR, I'll see all the people who are under the tag HR. And then we have this small setting option. If I want to change the name of the pipeline just for the comfort or the industry, I can go and do that as well. Right now I'm in a lifetime plan. So once you buy the plan, you will be able to export or import CSV files or data. You will be able to take backup and restore this in case the plugin reinstalls or something. You won't lose data by this. Okay. So the difference between the light plan or the free plan and the pro plan is basically the free plan supports up to 20 contacts. You can manage a pipeline of 20, and you will not get the backup and restore and import export options. Rest all features remain the same. Hope this helps, and in case you need something, please do reach out on me to me on my email, and I'll be happy to help you guys.